Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have endless cash while others are always on the brink of financial disaster? It's not always about how much you earn, but rather how well you manage what you have. The secret is living below your means. It's about embracing a lifestyle that allows you to spend less than you earn, and it's crucial for your financial health. In the next few minutes, we'll be exploring 7 practical tips that could help you achieve this. We'll talk about everyday habits that can make a difference, the pitfalls to avoid, and smart ways to stretch your dollar. Each tip is designed to help you build a buffer between your income and your expenses, giving you the freedom to save, invest, and ultimately prosper. So, are you ready to escape the paycheck to paycheck cycle and start building wealth? Stay tuned to discover how you can start living a more financially secure life. Imagine starting every day with a $5 cup of coffee. Sounds delicious, doesn't it? But let's take a closer look. If you're savoring that pricey brew 7 days a week, you're shelling out $35 a week. That's a whopping $140 a month. Now, consider an alternative. What if you swapped out that shop-bought cup for a home-brewed version? With a quality coffee maker and some gourmet beans, you could be sipping on your own delicious coffee for less than 50 cents a cup. That's right, less than half a dollar. Over a month, you're looking at a mere $15. The difference? $125. That's a tidy sum that could go towards your savings or paying down debt. So, the next time you're tempted by that pricey latte, think about the financial impact it could have in the long run. When was the last time you cooked a meal at home? Now let's face it, the convenience of takeout and restaurant dining can be hard to resist. But have you ever considered the financial and health benefits of home cooking? Here's a practical example. If you dine out for every meal, the average cost can be around $20 per day. That's about $600 a month. Meanwhile, cooking at home could cut that cost by more than half, potentially saving you upwards of $300 each month. And it's not just about the money. Home cooking also puts you in control of your health, allowing you to choose fresh, wholesome ingredients and skip the extra salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats often found in restaurant meals. So, the next time you're tempted to order in, why not try whipping up a simple dish at home instead? Remember, every dollar saved in the kitchen is a dollar earned. Swipe now, pay later. Sounds convenient, right? But let's delve a bit deeper into the labyrinth of credit card debt. It's easy to fall into the trap of buying now and worrying about the bill later. Yet, this is where many of us stumble, and the consequences can be steep. Imagine you have a credit card balance of $500. You decide to pay just the minimum amount each month, which typically covers only the interest and a small portion of the principal. Over time, that $500 could balloon into $1,000 or more due to accumulated interest. It's a snowball effect that can quickly spiral out of control. The key is to pay off your credit card balance in full each month. This way, you avoid interest charges and keep your debt manageable. It's not always easy, but remember, each swipe is a decision. So before you swipe, think twice. Can you really afford it? Who says you need to spend a fortune to look good? Not us, that's for sure. There's a certain charm in thrift shopping, a treasure hunt of sorts, where you can discover unique, high-quality pieces, often with a rich history and character, at a fraction of the retail price. Imagine finding a vintage leather jacket that's exactly your fit, or a designer dress that's been barely worn. You might even stumble upon a rare vinyl record that's been on your wish list for ages. The possibilities are endless, and the thrill of the hunt is genuinely exhilarating. Not only are you saving money, but you're also contributing to a more sustainable way of living by giving these items a second life, instead of contributing to the cycle of fast fashion. So, before you hit the high street stores or add that item to your online shopping cart, consider the thrift shop around the corner. You might just score the find of a lifetime. Next time you need something new, why not try hitting the thrift store first? Have you ever tried to build a snowball? You start with a small handful of snow, and as you roll it around, it picks up more snow and steadily grows. That's the magic of the saving snowball, a concept that's all about the power of compound interest. Imagine this. You decide to put aside just $25 a week. It might not seem like much, but over the course of a year, you've saved $1,300. Now, if you were to invest this amount at a modest interest rate of 5% annually, your money would grow. After 10 years, you'd have nearly $17,000. That's the power of compound interest, where your savings, just like a snowball, grows exponentially over time. It's about starting small and building on that. Every dollar saved is a step towards a more secure financial future. Start small, and before you know it, your savings will snowball into something significant. Who doesn't love a good vacation? It's a chance to unwind, explore, and recharge, but it can also be a big drain on your finances if not managed properly. Leisure activities are an important part of life, but they don't necessarily need to come with a hefty price tag. It's all about smart budgeting and finding cost-effective ways to enjoy your downtime. For instance, consider a staycation instead of a vacation. Explore your local area, visit museums, parks, or beaches you've never been to before. You'd be surprised by the adventures waiting right at your doorstep. Or how about hosting a movie night at home with friends instead of going to the cinema? You can even turn this into a potluck dinner to share the cost and enjoy a variety of delicious dishes. Mark out a budget for your leisure activities and stick to it. Remember, the goal is to enjoy without overspending. Remember, leisure doesn't have to break the bank. So, what does living below your means look like to you? Let's recap. It's about brewing your daily cup of joe at home, enjoying the home-cooked advantage and escaping the credit card trap. It's about finding treasures in thrift shops and building your savings snowball. It's about rethinking leisurely luxuries and always remembering that your money is your future. Each of these steps, no matter how small, brings you one stride closer to a future of financial security and freedom. This journey may not always be easy, but oh, is it rewarding. It's about choosing to take control today for a more secure tomorrow. It's about making choices today that your future self will thank you for. Now, I leave you with this question. What will you do today to secure your financial future? Please leave your answers in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical financial tips. Check out my next video that YouTube suggests, and I'll see you on the other side.